Class, ang tawag dito. That would be your total overhead variance. Meaning to say, the formula in computing for total overhead variance is your actual overhead minus applied factory overhead. Sige, para maintindihan natin, ito ay factory overhead. Ito ay fixed overhead. Magkano class? 30 and 50. You have 20,000. Favorable or unfavorable? Favorable. Very good. Okay. Step number 2. Lagay mo sa gitna. Lagay mo sa gitna ay budgeted overhead. Ilagay mo dito, step number 3, based on standard hours. So how do we compute this budgeted overhead based on standard hours? Ang computation class ay ganito. Variable cost per unit to be multiplied by standard hours plus budgeted fixed cost. Okay? We go back to the cost behavior. We're in the variable cost per unit and the fixed cost total will remain the same. Okay. And di ba class dito na yung variable cost per unit? Ito na yan, 3 pesos? Yes. So you have here 3 pesos times standard hours of 10,000 plus, let's say, fixed cost natin or budgeted fixed cost. Wala yung number na yan. Sige, kami put here 5,000. 30,000 plus 5. You have here 35,000. 35,000 is your budgeted overhead based on the standard hours. Plus, ang tawag dito, actual overhead